How to redeem YouTube Premium code. The very first thing you should know that you cannot actually directly redeem the code from the YouTube itself. In order to do that, you need to head over to any of the web browser or you can move into Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. In the search bar, search for youtube.com/redeem. Wait for a while. So it will redirect you to this page. So in this page you can see it says redeem your code. If you are redeeming a gift card, you will continue to Google Play after you enter your code here. So once you have your YouTube Premium code, enter it in this section and then click on apply. Once you have redeemed the code, you will be able to make purchases on YouTube and your gift card or code will increase your Google Play balance. You can then use the balance to pay for YouTube Premium, YouTube Music Premium, YouTube TV, movies, and TV shows on YouTube. Also, you can pay for digital content on Google Play. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to redeem YouTube Premium code. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.